Can an old home theater be converted into a Bluetooth boombox? My friend shared me a video complaining about his old system, which had a rattling sound, messy wires, and no Bluetooth connectivity. So I converted it into this modern Bluetooth enabled boombox. Check out the sound and his reaction in the following two clips.
So now let's go over the electronic components I have used in this build. So for the amplifier with the inbuilt Bluetooth, we are going with the MT21 Bluetooth amplifier. As you can see, it's an all-in-one Bluetooth amplifier. It has three channels, left, right, and the subwoofer channel. It has good tone controls, and it comes with this screwdriver, this volume knobs, and the case to make it as an external amplifier system. But we are not going to use it. We are going to install the amplifier inside the speaker. As you can see the specs on the back plate, it's a 2 into 50 watt plus 100 watt, total 200 watt Bluetooth amplifier. We are going to use a 24 volt 8.3 amps power supply. I have bought this power supply and the amplifier both locally, but I will be giving the both Indian and international links if you want to purchase them. It's a good compact power supply at a reasonable cost. You can see the specs here. So we have total of 4 full range speaker drivers. We will be making pairs of two of them and connecting them in series, and they will go independently to one of the left and right channels. Similarly, we'll connect the subwoofer to the subwoofer channel. Our power supply will connect to the 24 volt DC in pin, and we will have a switch before the power supply which will turn on and off the AC power supply. We can also optionally add a battery pack to this, which I have explained in one of my earlier videos, how you can make a portable battery powered DC source for this kind of a project. You can refer to that. I will also be using that same power bank in my video while I am soldering and doing some of the other electronic work. You can see what I have made.
what's wrong.